ready to unlock a world of incredible design and connect with talented creatives. Today, we're diving into how to create a 99Designs account, opening the door to finding the perfect designer for your next project. Let's get started. First, head over to the 99Designs website and look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with a sign-up form here. You'll need to enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. Next, select your account type. Since you're looking to hire a designer, choose the I Need a Design option. This ensures you're set up as a client, ready to post projects and receive design submissions. Make sure to carefully read through the terms and conditions, and then check the box to confirm your agreement. Now, click the Create Account button to proceed. 99Designs might ask you a few more questions about your design needs, such as the type of project you have in mind or your industry. Filling these out will help them tailor the experience to you. And just like that, you're in. You can now explore the platform, start a design contest, or browse through individual designers to find the perfect match for your creative vision. That's all there is to it. Happy designing!